Alright guys, I'm making a quick video. Won't be the best since I don't have all my camera set up. But here's how you put the sprocket on. You put your bolts in here. It's very important to make sure you have both bolts. One of the bolts will go through this hole in the shaft, and the other one you want to make sure you tighten down with a 8mm socket or something. You want to have it really tight. The reason I think people are breaking their bolts is because it gets loose and then it's slamming around. So you want to line up one of these, tighten it down in that hole, and then line up the other one. And I would tighten the one in the hole first, just make sure you got it through there. And go all the way to the bottom. Make sure it's tight. And then tighten up. This one will just get tightened up against the shaft. And I would definitely, like I said, put it on a socket and really crank on it. Shouldn't have any play in your sprocket at all.